Okay, so in this tutorial video, I'm going to demonstrate how to upload the floor plan into your VR tour. Okay, so first from your dashboard area here, go to virtual tour, go to this tour. So over here, you can go to the VR tour that you want to create the floor plan for. So I'm using this demo 01. So under demo 01, I go to edit. After I go to edit, I go to maps. Okay, so next we click on the plus sign. Then over here we give our floor plan a name. So for my case, I give it a name called demo. So map type we will choose floor plan image. Okay, map image we will click here. Then we will upload our floor plan image. Okay, so I'm using this floor plan demo. Okay, it's a JPG. So the file size is around less than 1000 to 600 plus. Okay, so we click on this one, we will upload. Okay, so once the floor plan appear here, that means we have uploaded successfully. Okay, sometimes you may get error or problem whereby after you click upload, the image does not appear. Okay, so that one is due to the image type issue. So what you can do actually do a screenshot of the image and we save it as a JPEG format. Okay, or reduce the size. Then you can upload again. Okay, so I just click create. Okay, so now the floor plan is being created. So you can see over here, the name is here. Okay, so there's this north indicator over here. I need to show this. Okay, so what I'm trying to show is this scroll bar over here is actually for you to adjust your north position. Okay, with reflecting the floor plan. Okay, so with the floor plan, which side of the house is facing the north? Okay, you can adjust. Now the north is pointing upwards, so I can adjust the north by scrolling here. Okay, so now you see it pointing this way. Okay, so I just show you. Let's say I adjust here. Now it's pointing this way. Okay, so this is for you to adjust the north. Okay, info link you can give the floor plan name or just simply put floor plan. So it's understood that this one is a floor plan for the VR tour, the house. Okay, so if let's say when the person click on the link to view the floor plan, you want it to open in a new window, opening in the same window. So just select new window. Okay, so at the same time it will not open on the existing window. Okay, so next I want to do is create this plus. Okay, I want to create so I can create a point. Okay, to link this floor plan to my actual VR tour house picture. Okay, so I have 3 pictures for my living room, so I just use any one of them. Okay, so I just use living room 2. Okay, because living room 2 is taken at the center of the living room, so I use this. So when I click create, okay, so you see there's this thing here. This one is for you to indicate, okay, for this picture, which one is the room. So for this picture stands for the living room. So I just put this to my living room, which is here. Okay, because this circle is quite big. Okay, I don't want to cover the word, so I put on top. So the picture is quite big. So how do we reduce it? Okay, reduce it by adjusting this one. So I put to 8. See, okay, now let's see. So it becomes very small. So we can put it here. Okay, just nice. Then we can change the color. If you don't want blue, you can click on here. You can select other color. Then select orange. Will look nicer. So So now you have an orange indicator. Okay, so this picture, which is the living room pictures, the 360 picture, is then connected to the floor plan living room over here. Okay, so you see over here, this is position. So this position is actually the position of this indicator. So when the user click on the floor plan, open up floor plan, so how big you want it to be. So I will just leave it 300, okay, which is, I feel is just nice. If you want bigger, you can try and error. If you think it's too small, then you can come back here and adjust again. Okay, so the floor plan, you can set a default room. Okay, so default room, I will just put living room 2 as the default room. Okay, if you don't want, you can just put none. Okay, for me, I think I will just choose none. Okay, so next we can add other indicator for other room, maybe the bedroom or the kitchen. Okay, so for this demo, I only do a living room and kitchen, so I did not do the bedroom. So I can add one more kitchen. So I click add again. So this time I select the kitchen. So for kitchen, I got 3 pictures: kitchen 1, kitchen 2, kitchen 3. So I just use any one of them. So I use kitchen 2. Okay, so this is kitchen 2. So I create. Okay, so now I just put this indicator to my kitchen. So my picture kitchen 2 is associated to the floor plan, this area, which is the kitchen in the floor plan. Okay, so this is how you set up floor plan. Now let's click save. Okay, so after you click save, the next thing you need to do is set up the north position. Okay, for the floor plan with respect to your VR tour. Okay, so how do we do that? We go to the room. Okay, then we go to this go to edit. Then we go to preview. So we go to preview, we go to north. So we go to north, you see over here. Okay, this is the picture 2. I got 3 pictures from my living room. Okay, my floor plan is set. My floor plan indicator is set to picture 2. So let's say when I open picture 2, it will show the floor plan here. Okay, so you see this like a fan shape thing here. Okay, this one is actually showing the north. Okay, so let's say this one is not the north. I want to change it. So how do I change? I just need to move around my 360 picture to the position that I want, which is supposed to be facing north. Say for example, my house, let's say this direction is facing north, so I just choose this direction. I just move it to this direction, then I click set. Okay, so now you see over here, the fan changed based on this VR Tour 360 picture. It shows the north. Okay, so this is how the north with respect to the floor plan is synchronized. They are being set. Okay. So I just want to show one more additional feature, okay, which I think will be useful. Let's say I go to position here. When you go to position, see this horizontal pitch, and okay, so horizontal pitch, when what will happen is when I adjust this, see the picture rotate. Okay, so let's say your picture is slanted. When you are taking the picture, your camera is slanted, so the picture becomes slanted. So you can use this to compensate. Okay, you can adjust it to straight. Okay, so what about this horizontal row? Okay, horizontal row is to move it left, right. Okay, so this is how you can position it. Okay, so after you finish setting your north for the living room, let me save it. Okay, so you remember I add one more point for the kitchen. Okay, we can also set it for the kitchen. Okay, let's go to room. Okay, so I set the indicator in the floor plan using kitchen 2 pictures. So I go to kitchen 2, click on edit. now kitchen 2 is here. So we are going to set a north position for kitchen 2. Say for example my kitchen north, okay, kitchen north is facing here. Okay, that's not the living room, we are facing this direction. So kitchen 2 should also face this direction. It should face the same. So living room was just now facing here as a north. So now kitchen 2 also facing here as a north. Okay, so let's say I set the north, finish, and click set. Okay, so now the north position for the kitchen is set. Okay, you can do the same thing for bedroom, the bathroom, okay, and maybe you have a storeroom or something like that. Okay, so this is how you set. But this one is optional. Okay, you can also just do for only one living room and that's it. It's up to you. Okay, so now the north is set. So let me click save. Okay, so after I save, the next thing we want to go to is the editor UI to enable the user interface for the floor plan. So let's click editor UI. Okay, so we go to the floor plan, then we can set color to it. Okay, let's say I set this color, you see the color is changed. Want something that's more obvious. Okay, I think we will just use white. So white is good. Okay, so the color will be white, default color will be white. So this one is when the mouse hover over, it will change the color. So when the mouse hover over, let's change it to blue. Okay, change it to blue. So now you see my mouse hover over become blue. Okay, so this is how you can set the UI user interface for the floor plan. So the indicator is now enabled. Okay, so over here it shows map min. Let's click on this. Okay. Okay, so all these are the user interface. You can change color to it also, but this one I will not touch. I think the black is just nice. Okay, so let's click save. Okay, so the next thing, okay, let's us just go and preview it. Okay, let's go to this tool. Okay, now we go to this demo one over here. We go to publish. Okay, then we go to this shareable link. Click copy, open a new browser, right click, paste, enter. Okay, so our floor plan is set at picture 2. This one is actually our picture 1, but let's see what happens when we click on it. Okay, we can still see the floor plan. Okay, so the floor plan name is demo, so that's demo. Okay, so we can enlarge it. Okay, because the floor plan is set at picture 2 and we are in picture 1, and then the north position is also set at picture 2. So that's why when we are in picture 1, we cannot see the north pointing direction. We need to go to picture 2. Okay, so let's close this. So we close. So let's go to picture 2. So we turn around here. Click on this. Okay, so now we are in picture 2. Let's open the floor plan. Now you see, now we are in living room. Okay, the floor plan now is showing this north face, this facing direction. We actually set our north to here, is here. Okay, so based on this north position, when we rotate in the VR tool, this position indicator will also follow us. So we are in sync with this indicator alongside with the floor plan in our VR tool. Okay, so this is how this floor plan works. Okay, so let's try go to kitchen picture 2. Okay, go here, kitchen picture 1, kitchen picture 2. Okay, now you see kitchen picture 2 is showing here. So just now we set north to here, remember. So now when we move here, it show the north pointing here. Okay, let's enlarge it to see clearly. So you see it's pointing here. Okay, so let's say I minimize it. When I turn around, you can see this one is turning. So it's actually synchronizing the floor plan with your VR tour picture with where you are turning and moving. Okay. So this is how the floor plan works, and this is how you add the floor plan.